What's going on, y'all? What's going on, cuties? Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley, and this is Cool, Calm, and Crawford, y'all. For those who are returning cuties, what's up? What's good? Y'all already know what it is. We are headed over to the parental's house to pick up my mother. And we're gonna run some errands today, y'all. The two tasks for today is to go and look for patio furniture. So we're gonna hit up Big Lots, Walmart, and then also the second task is to get some personal items that I've been needing at Walmart while we are there. Those are the two most important things today. So y'all know, in the last two episodes, we have been doing a lot of, well, not a lot of, but you know, we have been doing some upgrades to the home and just trying to make our current existing home feel a lot more comfy, I'll say. And I'm actually enjoying this, y'all. I never thought that I would be interested in doing upgrades to a home, decorating it a little more, all that good stuff. But it's been fun so far. I hope you guys are enjoying the new content instead of, you know, talking about the same old every weekend. But yeah, let's ride on over to pick up my mom, and then let's get going on all of these errands that we need to be doing. We focus, y'all. We're focused. Okay. Guys, so this is some nice outdoor furniture, guys. I'm looking for just like right now a sofa set that is similar to this material, but it'll be just like a sofa, two chairs, and like the table in the middle. But I don't know what y'all thinking, because we're not paying no $1,400 for nothing, y'all. So I'm gonna see what good old Walmart has, and then if that doesn't work, I'll see what Amazon has. But it's dark in here, y'all. Don't know why. But yeah, let's keep looking at some more. Yeah, this is nice because it's dark, but yeah, I like the dark gray and the dark blue. Alright, y'all, so we came in Walmart because like I said, this is the second task that we had to do. So I really don't have to get any like home stuff. And really quickly, well, I had already had something in my cart for the patio furniture just in case on Amazon. So I think I am going to buy that because you get 4 things for $150. The price was lower a couple weeks ago, but it's all good. I think that's gonna be the best bet. But we're gonna go across the way in Walmart in a minute and see what patio furniture they have out. And if I don't like the prices, then we'll be all good on that. but I'm not feeling $4.97. But it is cute. It would look very nice outside. They also have this really nice tan set, but yet again, I'm not paying no $542 for that. And then they also have this nice set back here. It's like a sectional with a table where you can like vibe out and eat outside, you know. It would be super cool. Oh, look at those beautiful tulips on top of there. But yeah, we're not paying no G for that. So we're gonna do our Amazon thing, y'all. You guys, I am finally home. Thank goodness. I know this vlog is a little weird because I took like a week off and I don't know, getting back on the camera I was feeling a little weird. But anyways, I want to show you guys all of the things that I purchased out of Walmart today. I know this was supposed to be like a home vlog, but don't your clothes go in your home? Yes, they do. So anyway, I'm not gonna show y'all my feminine products. But I found a lot of cool clothes in Walmart, y'all. Don't sleep on Walmart. I'm telling y'all, I had tried to be, you know, different and go to Ross for years. Been going to Ross for years. Have stopped going to Walmart. But you know what? I'm gonna start back going because they had every single thing that I needed. So I got this nice black workout shirt and a pink one. They're the same style and everything. And let me see, the shirts were $8.98 a piece, okay? And I wanted to get me some workout clothes because I have started doing step aerobics again, and I'm gonna scoot y'all back a little bit. But yeah, I had started to do step aerobics again, and I have been loving it so much, y'all. So I needed some cute clothes so I can feel good when I'm working out. And I'm not wearing my Nike clothes to work out. I know that's stupid, but I'm not doing it. I also got, these cute leggings that have like a nice little crisscross stitch design on the side. And these were, how much were they? $6.98. And then I got another pair of plain leggings, and I believe these, oh, these were $7.98. But yeah, I have a lot of leggings, but some of them, you know how they get a little worn or whatever, and you need to replace them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Mind your business, mind your business. So we just gonna hang this bag right here on the side of the dresser as an extra trash bag, y'all. Okay, in this bag, what did I get? I got a bunch of camis, and they had camis there for like $4. I think they're $3.48. So I got a nice dark gray one. I got a nice black one. I got like this peachy color one, and I got this pink one. And the brand that they have at Walmart now is called Time and True. Y'all don't act like you don't shop at Walmart and don't know what brands is there, but this is how the camis look. And they're so cute. They're gonna pair very well under like a jean shirt, or you know, they could go under I don't know, a t-shirt, like to layer it. You know how we used to do back in the early 2000s. You can, you know, layer your clothes, make them look all nice and cute or whatever. And then I saw these cute shirts that have like buttons up the front, and I see like doing Walmart hauls now is a popular thing, but until I feel comfortable, you know, putting all my John Brown hind parts on camera, we're just gonna continue to show the clothes this way. But yeah, I love this black shirt. It has like the little ruching on the side with buttons going down the front. It is so stinking cute. And I got a pink one that is the same. And those shirts were going for $10.98. And then I got an olive green shirt, kind of similar to those, but it don't have the buttons on the front, but it still has the ruching on the side. And it's gonna kind of give you that good illusion to kind of cinch you in for those of us who needs to be cinched in. And then the last shirt I got was kind of like that peachy pink color with the buttons going down the front and the ruching on the side. So that's gonna be like my little spring style this year, y'all. But oh, and it's downstairs. I don't feel like running to get it, but I bought this really beautiful plant, and hopefully this time I don't kill this plant. My mom said it's one of the easiest plants to take care of in your home. So since we're doing like a home series or whatever, you will see the plant probably in another video. I'll show it to you. But I spent a total of $125.94 at Walmart today, so that wasn't bad. Guys, I got every single thing done today that I wanted to get done, which was go check out Patio furniture and go to Walmart and get all of the things that I have been needing. Today was a really fun day with my mom and with Mel. Y'all saw them shopping in Walmart with me, and I'm hoping that you guys are liking the home series thus far. It's either, you know, fully dedicated videos to the home or just sprinkling things about my home into the videos. But y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Okay, also make sure you comment down below, tell me, hey, what's up, what's good, are you doing anything to redecorate your home for the spring, or just give it a facelift, because you know the housing market out here is crazy right now. So I mean, moving is an option, but then again, you work with what you have. And our home was built in 2019. We, you know, moved here in July of 2019, so the house is not really old. It's just we're getting tired of the 2-story and really wanted a ranch style home. But we'll get there one day. But ultimately, y'all, if you have stuck around this long and you've been watching this video and you're not subscribed, that means you're not a cutie. So to officially become a part of the cutie crew, you need to go on ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, it's free. It's not gonna cost you nothing. You know, you didn't get hurt doing it. None of that. And while we are on the topic of officially becoming a cutie, I'm gonna go ahead and announce the giveaway, y'all. So if you made it to the end of this video, here is the official giveaway announcement. So y'all know on March 22nd it was, I believe, we hit 1,000 subscribers, or 1,000 cuties in the cutie crew, if I must say. And y'all, the momentum is going, we're rolling, and I'm loving it. Anyways, so for this giveaway, of course, you have to be subscribed to this channel, and it has to be a public subscription, because I won't know if you're subscribed if your subscriptions are not public. So go on in your back end and turn that on however you need to make it work for me to be able to see that you are officially a subscriber. And what I want you to do is go to Instagram. My Instagram is I am Ashli Crawford. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's the second piece. So you need to be subscribed here on YouTube. You need to follow me on Instagram and DM me the answer to this question. So the question is, what is the one thing that my husband does not like to do when we travel? I repeat, what is the one thing that my husband does not like to do when we travel? Now, the answer to this question is in one of the very first videos. I can't remember which one, that I posted on YouTube. So if you're an OG, then you probably already know the answer to this question. Or if you don't know the answer, go back and watch the videos, find the answer if you would like to enter, and make sure you DM me the answers to the question. Now, the giveaway, let's see. I will end it, because I know when this video is going to post. I'm going to end it on May 10th. Since the question is about my husband, we're going to end it on my husband's birthday. Okay? May 10th. Okay? And then once we have a winner or whatever, I will announce the winner. And then, you know, you can send me your information once announced, all that good stuff. So, must be subscribed to the channel. Must follow me on Instagram and DM me the answer. What is the one thing that my husband does not like to do when we travel? Okay? Okay. Go watch the videos so you can find out the answer and let me know what it is. And yeah, that's gonna be that. And if more than one person answers it or whatever, of course I put the names in the name generator or whatever. And I might do that. I'm gonna do it on camera so y'all can see. Yeah, so May 10th, that's when we're gonna do the name generator thing and all of that good stuff to choose whomever the winner is. So you got time to go and look and find the answer, y'all. But y'all, whatever y'all do, make sure that you always stay cool, calm, and Crawford. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.